Hi, this is Doc Jon of Atlas Chiropractic Clinic. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to go over the spine and the importance of the chiropractic adjustment. My assistant here, Jeanette, and I'm going to be checking everything that's going on with her spine and explaining as we go. Please have you lay down, please. Dapa. Now right here we have the spine. Now the spine is important because of what it protects. It protects the central nervous system, which happens to control and coordinate every single cell, tissue, and organ in the body. Now what I'm going to be looking for is restrictions. So it's important that I get these joints to move that are not moving the way that they should. Now when we do that, it helps turn on the power, allowing your central nervous system to communicate the way it's supposed to do. All right, let's check here. All right, so what I'm doing right here is I'm getting the bones to move that are stuck. Take a deep breath in for me, please. And breathe out. Good. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the legs to see what the body tells me. Shut up, right. Stay short. Negative ilium. All right, now what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be adjusting L4. That is the fourth lumbar vertebra. Go right here. Take a deep breath in for me, please. Breathe out. There you go. All right, kabila. We're going to move to the other side. Good. All right, let's have you lay on your back. Here you go. All right, now I'm going to adjust the mid-back. I see here that's T3, T4, T5, T6. That's what I'm going to do. Good. And we're going a little lower. Same thing. Good. All right. Now I'm going to adjust the neck. So to a chiropractor, when we're adjusting the spine, it's important that we're very specific on how we do things. There are people who tend to self-adjust, self-crack. Self-cracking is not the best thing to do because it's not very specific. In chiropractic, we do not want to create any kind of instability in the spine. So it's important that you go see your chiropractor and you get yourself adjusted the way it's supposed to be. So make sure you go to your nearest chiropractor and get yourself checked out and adjusted. We got your back.